My argument focuses on whether technology has a negative impact on learning. I believe technology doesn't have a negative impact on learning because it is an amazing, valuable resource that all schools should use. Technology opens up a world of opportunities to achieve every individual's highest potential. And because technology is such an important part of our generation, it is only right to use it to build our learning. Technology has already impacted people's learning. For example, Liyana is an inspirational example of how online education has evolved learning. She is an 11-year-old from Pakistan who uses Udacity.com, which is an online course organization, to take college-level physics classes. Because YouTube is banned in Pakistan, she wasn't able to have access to daily video lessons needed to complete the test. Still determined to learn, she posted a message on the forum of the website, and not long after, classmates from Malaysia, Portugal, and England offered their help. In the end, a Portuguese professor came up with the idea to take those lessons and put them on a different video sharing website so she could have access to them. This proved to be very beneficial because not only did she ace the test, she also finished the class with the highest distinction at the age of 11. David Warlick, a frequent researcher of technology integration, once said, "We need technology in every classroom and in every student's and teacher's hands because it is the pen and paper of our time and it is the lens through which we experience much of our world." This is proving to be true with the immense social media connectivity we often see. Anything breaking news you will see or hear it from the internet first. There are many reasons and beneficial things that you can take from using technology in education. There is an abundance of software, apps, and websites that teachers can pull from to prepare the lessons and enhance them. Videos, images, and links capture the attention of students and they emphasize learning objective. Communication beyond walls is very important in our time because of the perspective of the world. Children with special needs also have an advantage because with online teaching or an e-teacher, they can set their pace and learn at their own rate and still succeed with the class. It also saves hassle of getting school supplies every year. But most of all, I think it's important because it engages and excites students. It's also better for teachers to teach excited and lively classrooms than ones who are bored and rather do something else. There have been many studies to see if technology really does improve children's learning. Pearson authors reviewed 20 already conducted studies to see if they were true, and they do agree that for middle school children, using technology is very useful. This is not only for for students, because 86% of U.S. teachers believe that using technology is essential to help with their learning, and 93% of college professors agree that videos, podcasts, and links help them and the students very much. As expected with such a controversial topic, there will be many opposing views. Many parents and adults believe that there will be harmful overload when using technology in classrooms and outside of classrooms. Yes, while this might be true, you can only have this if you have excessive use and not have parental control. This argument also goes with the inappropriate use opposing view because there are many precautions that people can take to make sure that they follow the rules and use it to the best way possible. My argument for using technology as a lazy alternative and not using a lot of critical thinking is that it actually is smarter than it is lazy because you use the resources that you can find on the internet to magnify your points. For example, you can have two teachers who teach a different way, but personally that might not be the best way. So you can go online and look at different variations, but also still use what is being taught in class to your advantage. My call for action is for many schools and institutes to incorporate technology because it is very beneficial and it excites students. This concludes my